Isn't that wonderful? Now let's show them what a bent shaft sounds like, Paul. Bent crankshaft. Bolts are out of this. This thing popped up. And Paul got bit on the forehead by a mosquito. Oh my God. That looks like West Nile virus. Okay, that's what she hit with it. The root system of this crabapple tree.
Cut it.
Okay? That's what did it. Boy, I'll visit you when you're recuperating. Paul hooked up a couple fans to increase the air conditioning circulation in his truck. I mean, he doesn't stop with his clever ideas. Boy, it looks like the bus I used to drive as a little kid. Holy smokes, they had a fan like that. Man, the guy had black shoes, green pants.